friends, my name is Sandra Nunez Courier and I work for Mesa County Libraries, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps for our first preschool take and make. The first one is called Ocean Sensory Bag. In your take and make bag, you will receive a little cup of paint. Colors are going to vary. A Ziploc bag with sand, about a cup inside, and 3 colorful seashells. So the first step is to go and find a bowl or something that can contain or hold the sand and a spoon. So we're gonna open our bag. We're gonna put our sand. Bravo. Make sure that you save this bag. Then, this is the fun part. Paint, tempera paint. So with the spoon, kind of take the paint out and put it inside the bowl. Make sure you get all of it. And then we're gonna start mixing. I'm gonna be doing it with a spoon, but it will be fun if you just get your hands in there. And because of the type of paint we're putting, it is not going to stain your clothing, and once you wash it, it's fine. So it's gonna take some time to mix it so it's uniform. Getting some cool colors in here. So while I'm still mixing this, friends, I just want to tell you that these take and makes are going to be available while supplies last. So make sure that you add it to your calendar. April 5th is the day that we're going to have them out. It's going to be available at all of our locations. Okay, so we keep stirring. Oh, you see the green, how beautiful. Almost uniform in here. And this is really calming, just mixing this and feeling the sand. Okay, so once it's all mixed in, you want to leave this for 24 hours and mix it every 3 hours or whenever you have time. It needs to dry. Okay, so we're going to put this on the side. Here I have some blue, purple-ish sand that is already dry. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put the sand back into the Ziploc bag that you receive with your take and make. And yeah, this is gonna be messy, but fun. Okay, bravo. Now we're gonna add our seashells. And now we have to make sure that we take the air out. We close it properly. If you want to add a piece of tape to reinforce it, that's a great idea. And now we have our ultimate ocean experience. You can try to bury the seashells, find the seashells. And another really cool way is to parents and grown-ups to tape them to the table so kids can come and work with them. Voila, friends! So here is your ocean sensory take and make. I hope you have fun, and please send us pictures through all of our social media platforms. And remember, April 5th, all of our locations while supplies last. Thank you.